Introducing Indoor Cam by Ring. See, hear, and speak to anyone inside your home.
Cosmo, stop it!
Indoor Cam is small, like really small. So you can put it here, here, or here. Get 1, 2, or more indoor cams and monitor all of them at once from the Ring app. Or just use Alexa.
Hey, kids.
Hi, Dad!
Turn motion recording on when you head out of town. Or turn it off when you don't want to be recorded. And if your Ring alarm is triggered, Indoor Cam records automatically! So start protecting your home and family with the small, sleek, and discreet Indoor Cam by Ring.
Hi, Mew Mew. Mew Mew, where are you? Hi, Mew Mew. Come on, it's me.